for coming back to watch another amazing wig video that I have for you. Again, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. So let's get inspired by this amazing wig from divatrust.com. I have actually a coupon down below, as well as all the information about this amazing piece. So let's talk about it. This is actually like my third one of, I just want to talk about real quick because I'm obsessed with it, this Tiger Eye blend. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm so obsessed. So this is actually by Main Concept, and this is a little bit of a mouthful, this style. It is the MLF02 Yaky Sleek 30 inches. 30 inches, people. She's a long one. One of, definitely, I think this is almost one of the longest that you can get. I know I've seen like 32 and 34, but 30 inches, that's a lot of hair, people. It's a commitment. And then also in the color is TE1B/273033. Also, another one of my favorite right here is this 13x4. Can't fight that. What does that mean? Basically, ear to ear, 13 inches, 4 inches back is all net, which means it is free parting. You flip it, you turn it, you let the wind take off with it. You just, wherever it goes, it goes. It's very light. I really enjoy these, and honestly, these 13x4 style wigs are just a little bit more than the standard wigs that I have with just the straight part. And I feel like it is worth like the $15 or $20 extra to have the free parting, because literally you can part it any way you want. So many styles in one wig. Let's put it on. Oh, let's talk about it. I'm skipping to putting it on. Okay, so of course we have the brown, the dark brown root, and I don't know, I hope you can really see these beautiful dimensions, but it's just flowing into this medium brown and kind of has these blondie parts at the bottom towards, oh my gosh, I mean, look at that. It's just so beautiful. Wow, look. I mean, so natural looking. Definitely these Tiger's Eye really, I feel, just look so much more natural than any wig I've ever seen. It's just gorgeous. So with this, also, what's kind of, like I mentioned, this thing is 30 inches, very long. But what is really nice about it is that it's kind of tapered. So as you can see up here, it's shorter, which is actually pretty nice. So it's not so much hair up in front. It doesn't show, no, it doesn't really show on the box. But if you online, you can kind of see a little bit more of this front. So, wow, isn't that really great? Really great. Okay, so let's put it on. I do have a nude wig cap that I did get from Amazon. I'll link the link below. Check it out. Buy the 10-pack. Always have wig caps on hand. You don't want to be running around and then realizing, where's my wig cap? So let's put it on. Of course, if your hair is long, you're gonna have to twist it, braid it, or whatnot, and pin it up. Okay, so with these 13x4 parting, I do feel like it's easier if I use, oh, we didn't actually talk about the wig construction yet. Okay, so, oh yeah, let's take a look at this netting so you can see. So ear to ear and all front, it's all netting. So it has the 2 clips on the side, and then the 1 standard clip in the back right here. So what I was talking about with the standard, with this clip in the back, kind of using it as the center when you're putting it on, because it is very like all over the place, that it's kind of hard to be like, oh, where's the center of this wig? Okay. All right, so let's put it on. Okay. Of course, if I was going to be wearing it out, I would spend a lot more time putting it on, hiding my wig cap. But since I'm gonna be flipping it around, I normally will not really put everything in place until I have it all in place, and then I would hide my wig cap to the max. Okay, so here it is, like pretty much down the center. And of course, if you do wear this out, it is a little bit of a commitment, ladies, to bring a little brush with you. Bring a little folded brush with you in your bag because it will tangle. But also, so does your regular hair. So it just is a little bit more attentive in the fact of needing, oh, a brush. Hair everywhere. So this is down the center. Look. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. Beautiful and long. Dreamy, right? Okay, down the center. I never wear my hair down the center, but maybe I will with this. So let's kind of play around. Let's put it on the side that I normally put my hair. So of course, free parting, you're just gonna find it and you're just gonna play with it like your regular hair. Okay. And of course, if I was going to be really like, this is the side I want it on, I'm gonna take one of these teasing combs and just make sure the part is super perfect or not. Do whatever I want. Wow, this looks great. Wow. Okay, so let's flip it on the other side. I feel like I may like it on this side more when I was playing around with it. We will see. And that's what I love about these wigs is that, you know, every side gives like a different look. So you almost get like, almost feels like you have multiple wigs in one wig. Yeah, I definitely like it on this side more. What do you guys think? Also, does she do it? Yes. Oh, where's the card right here? As you can see, you can use this little top button. Look at that. Look how great that is. If you want to do halvesies, I mean, it is just endless with what you can do with these 13x4 parting. Love it. So, let me know what you think about it. I want to hear from you. If you have this wig, if you like wearing it a certain way, I would love to know about it. So reach out to me. Of course, this wig, all the information is down below. It's from divatrust.com as well as the coupon codes. Go get the coupon code, get this wig for a little bit cheaper than what it is, and then rock it out. I mean, glamorous. So again, everyone, thank you for stopping by. Reach out to me and we will see you soon.